All right, guys, this is the hotel we're staying in, and I don't know if you can see it well, but there's the forest fire in the background. Hopefully it won't be a problem, but we'll let you know what we find out, if anything. As you drive in, the Mimslyn Inn sits at the top of a hill, making the drive in and the view quite impressive. The Mimslyn Inn is located in Luray, Virginia, a town of about 5 square miles and about 4,900 people. It's got a great little downtown area, and it is definitely worth checking out. The Mimslyn Inn has a grand staircase that leads down from upper floors to the sitting area on the first floor, right outside one of the restaurants and right next to a little shopping area. Little knick-knack and gift shop. And some beverages if you need them. They also have wine in the rooms and more wine out here to purchase at the front desk. All right, we're gonna take a tour of a queen room 221 in the Mimslyn Inn in Luray, Virginia. Right here we have the restroom, and it has a pedestal sink. And here are your amenities for those who want to know what brands they use. And to the left inside the door is a little closet with an ironing board and a luggage rack and a mirror. All right, so let's take a look in the room. Nightstand. This particular room faces the front of the building, so you see on the front. And in this armoire, let me get a better shot of it back here. You have a robe and some extra linens and a bag for laundry if you should need it. Let's see, we've got there is no refrigerator in the room, but there is a TV, and you've got your ice pot here like normal. Very nice furniture. Little desk to work on. They do have USB-A and several outlets. I'm not sure if I see any near the beds. I'll try to take a look here in a second. Chair to sit in. Here's a look at the phone if you need to see what's going on with that. There's at least regular power outlets next to the bed. And the air conditioner is a wall window unit. So here's a view from this side of the room. And we'll show you some more about this hotel. We may make more than one video, not quite sure yet, so keep an eye out. All right. Oh, and if you have any other questions on something I haven't touched on in any of these videos, leave them in the comments and we'll try to answer. Thanks. All right, this is the Skyline Terrace. Take a quick look. We'll show you out on the patio as well. The elevator does come up here, and it's got great views from the back. view from the Skyline Terrace. There's a nice little fireplace out here on the terrace. And it's a pretty cool tiny home community right behind the hotel. Look at that. They also have a nice gazebo in the back and a courtyard and plenty of parking. And here is the hotel pool and hot tub, covered up for the season.
They even have a really nice banquet room available.
This is the Roosevelt room. It is on the first floor. And a little bit of history. This hotel was built in 1931. So we have some artwork. Huge picture window. Let me see if I can get more perspective on that. And Elizabeth and Henry Mims. On the lower level is a gym, in case you need to work out while you're here. And a nice little seating area, in case you get tired. Next to the gym is also the Seasons Spa, and you need to request service ahead of time. And here is some of the information. Sorry about the lighting in here, guys. They have some lights turned off, but because it's nighttime. But you can use it anytime, I believe. The Speakeasy bar and restaurant is on the lower level, and we're gonna go check it out for dinner.
The Speakeasy had a great vibe and even an exterior door so you could come in from the outside. The rooms were very regal and made you feel like you were back in Victorian times, and there were lots of things to do in the area. Also, the food was really good at the Speakeasy. We didn't get a chance to try out the other restaurant, but we highly recommend the Speakeasy because it was great. Thanks for watching this review of the Mimslyn Inn. Make sure to like and subscribe to catch our next adventure, and we'll see you then.